let's go ahead and open the passenger side door. Now the glove box over there, we need to open that up because the cabin air filter is behind it. So open the glove box. Now let's take a closer look at it. We have to get this string that's on the side. We got to get that out. Let's look at it from inside. See how I'm taking it out. So twist it, pull it out, and then just let it go. Right now the glove box is held in place by two stoppers. We can squeeze them both at the same time. If you cannot, that's fine. Just squeeze it from one side, get one of the stoppers out like that. That's good. And then press from the other side, and the entire glove box just comes off like that. See, it's held in place by the three hinges. Right now that's the cover for the cabin air filter. It's got one clip on the left side. Just press it and out it comes. So the cover comes out at an angle, like it sort of swivels around like the hinge on the right hand side. Now the cover is out. Now the filter itself is kind of flexible, so you can press it, put one finger in, and then pull the entire filter out. Now it says it right there on the filter that the airflow direction from up to down. This arrow is pointing over there. So air comes from outside, gets filtered, all the dirt gets trapped on the top. This is a brand new filter, so it's clean. And then clean air goes into the blower motor from the bottom. Now get the new filter and make sure the visible side, where it says the visible side should be outside, so make sure it's pointed the correct way. The arrow is pointing the correct way, top to bottom. Slide the filter in all the way. Again, the filter is kind of flexible, so if you have any trouble, just press it, it'll be fine. Yep, see, now it's in. Now when you're putting the cover in, first you have to put the right side in. You see how it's got kind of like a hinge? It swivels around it, so if you just press it down, it won't go on. So put the right side in first at an angle like that. See, it's locked. Now sort of try pulling it to the left side, like put some force on the left side, so that way it's stuck, it's not going anywhere. See, now then you press it down and the cover is locked in place. We've got to put the glove box in, but first let's put that string, the dampener string, on. So pull that dampener string, put the glove box into the hinges, the three hinges there, and now I'll show you how to put that string back into the glove box itself. Note the direction of that little connector on the string. See how that aligns with the glove box? Just make sure that is correct, the way I show you over here, and that's it. Once that string is in place, twist it so it locks in place, it doesn't go anywhere after that. Okay, now we've got to put the glove box back in. So again, press one side, press one of the stoppers, press it in, and push the glove box in. Right, that's good. Then just push in from the other side, it'll just go right in. And yeah, that is pretty much it. See, now the glove box opens and closes, and you just replace the cabin air filter. And that's pretty much it. Hope you found this useful.